Welcome to Veranda IAS. In today's current affairs session, in the subject Geography and Disaster Management, we will be dealing with the topic India commences export of Moringa powder. So, the learning objective of today's LU is to examine the Moringa oleifera, to discuss the Moringa oleifera which is in news, to analyze the distribution of Moringa oleifera, and to list the health benefits of Moringa oleifera. So, let us discuss about this Moringa. So, the Moringa oleifera is a scientific name, is a fast growing drought resistant tree of the Moringaceae family. So, this drumstick tree, which is also called as this Moringa oleifera, we actually known this Moringa oleifera as a drumstick tree. So, the horseradish tree, ben oil tree, or even the benzoleaf tree. So, these are all the common names of this Moringa. So, this Moringa is incredibly hardy and adapts well in the farming in any type of soil. So, this can be cultivated in any type of soil. That is why it is very much important in current sense. So, it contains a variety of beneficial substances such as vitamins, vital minerals such as iron, magnesium, and in particularly low fat and cholesterol. It grown for its immature seed pods and leaves, which are eaten as vegetables and used in traditional herbal medicine. It can also be used to purify the water. So, let us see something about this Moringa oleifera. So, the leaves of Moringa oleifera, it contains many kind of vitamins such as vitamin B, vitamin C, and beta carotene. Also, it has potassium and magnesium. It also has calcium oxalate, which is very much needed for the human body. It is very much useful for the human body. This calcium oxalate is present widely in spinach, but when we compare to this Moringa oleifera leaves, this calcium oxalate is present in much larger amount even when compared to spinach. So, that is why this Moringa oleifera is very much important. So, then when we compare to drumsticks, it has fibers. So, fibers are very essential for human bodies, and then we have the same potassium, and also we have magnesium in this drumstick. So, this drumstick is used for various medical purposes with regard to this. Further, the Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority, the APIDA, has been assisting private companies in developing the infrastructure needed to boost the export of Moringa products from India in Jan 2021. So, Moringa tree, we all know that it is present in a large amount in our country, and this Moringa, which can be used as a Moringa powder, has a large demand in the western countries. Hence, the APIDA is assisting these private companies to export this Moringa powder so that it can gain a lot of remittance, lot of export profits for India from this Moringa powder. Further, the Moringa products such as the Moringa leaf powder, the Moringa oil, as well as the Moringa leaves are used as a nutritional supplement and in food fortifications are in high demand all around the world. So, that is why the APIDA is pushing this. Also, its nutritional and therapeutic and culinary applications have been favorably accepted by the global consumers. So, globally overall, these exports of Moringa is actually favored. So, the global population is actually demanding this Moringa powder. Further, we will see about the distribution of this Moringa, so where it is actually found throughout the world. So it is a tropical tree that takes minimum water. So hence we already seen that it can be grown in any type of soil. So any type of soil, Moringa tree can be planted. Then it also requires minimal water. So hence it may also help to recover damaged soils. It is found mostly in South Asia, West and East Africa, Central and Eastern America and the Caribbean, as well as some portions of the South America. So overall in this world it is present in small patches in everywhere, but it is gaining importance overall as an export from India as of now. So let's see about the health benefits of the Moringa. It is an anti-inflammatory drug. It can be used as an anti-inflammatory product as it has anti-inflammatory properties in it. So it can strengthen bones. It can reduce cholesterol. We seen that it has low fats and cholesterol. Hence, it can reduce the cholesterol. It treats asthma and anemia. It controls diabetes, which is an important, a very much worrying disease which is prevalent all over the world. It can be used to control this diabetes. Also, it helps in the digestion. Also, it can be used as an anti-cancerous agent. It has some anti-cancerous properties. So, hence it can be used for the as an anti-cancerous agent. It also boosts immunity. In overall, it can boost immunity that can help us from preventing from getting any diseases. So to summarize, in this LU we have seen about the Moringa oleifera, we have seen about Moringa oleifera and why it is in news, and we have discussed the distribution of Moringa oleifera and the health benefits of Moringa oleifera. So that's all for today's LU. Have a nice day. Thank you.